Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Baqarah, ayah number 99. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولقد أنزلنا إليك آيات بينات وما يكفر بها إلا الفاسقون. ولقد, for pronunciation of wow is circling your lips. Circle your lips. Don't use your teeth to pronounce wow. It's just a circling of lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa la, la is short. The way wow is short, lam is short. Wa la. And qaf is attached with dal. Qaf is heavy letter. And we will, capital H is the abbreviation for heavy letter. Oh, and for dal there is qalqala. Sorry, this is qalqala. Yes, capital Q. And why we are giving qalqala on dal? Because this is part of kutubujatin. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Whenever these 5 letters get sukoon, it gets qalqala. And what qalqala is? Qalqala is taba'ud. What is taba'ud? When you say the letter, it has the makhraj gets closed, and then you let the makhraj open. When you're opening it for the second time, this is the mechanism of qalqala. This is a qalqala. Qad, when you say dal, the makhraj get closed, and then you add qalqala to make it heard. Qad, qad. Actually, it was qad, and then you add qalqala, the qad. It's not fatha. You should be very mindful. It's not fatha. It's just a opening of your makhraj. Wala qad, qad. When we are giving fatha, it will be qada, qada. It's not qada, it's qad. Wala qad. For fatha, open your jaws, and for hamza, give very strong and clear sound and short sound. And then noon has ikhfa. You're hiding sound of noon because there is za afterwards, and that is the letter of ikhfa. So you are hiding the sound of noon. Zal, za is very strong letter, and it is attached with lam with tawassut. Lin Umar, these are the 5 letters which get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop sound of lam very abruptly, but you will give a medium flow of sound here. Naz, anzal, zal. This saying is medium flow of sound. Zal, na, 4 harakat count, long. E is very strong letter and gives strong from your throat. And for kasra, give E sound. E, lay, it is harf lean, and it is very soft, and it gets 2 haraka long. And for fatha, open your jaws, because there is fatha, you have to open your jaw and then go to ya, la, and ay, lay, la, lay, lay, ilay. It's not ilayka, it's not lay, it's lay, ilayka. Ka is short, 2 counts long, and hamza is very strong letter. Give very clear sound from your throat, and it should be very short. Hamza is afterwards it is attached with alif, that's why it's long. Yeah, 2 counts long. Yeah is very soft letter. Yeah, sorry, why it is here, how to remove subhanallah. Ayatim. I know there is tanween kasra here, but you are not able to see. Subhanallah. Ayatim bayyi. Ba is attached with ya and it is getting tashdid. Mm, so whenever wow and ya gets tashdid, what they get? They get nabar. Yes, you remember? Yes, never. And what never is? Raising your voice, your sound little. Bay. When ba is attached with ya, this is the place to give number. Bay. Yi. Ya is short. And very soft letter. And for kasra, give e sound. Bay. Yi. Na 2 counts long. But if you will stop here, then you will give 2 4 6. 2 haraka long or 4 haraka long or 6 haraka long. Why is this though? This is madarat sakun. Bayinat. And for ta, you will give hums because it will get tawassut. Wa, circle your lips for wow, the makhraj of wow. The articulation point of wow is circling your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, ma 2 counts long. Yak, for ya, very soft sound. Yak. And for kaf, give hums here. Yak, fu, for dhamma, circle your lips. For ra is heavy here. Whenever ra gets fatha or dhamma, it gets heavy. So the sound of ra will be uru, uru. This is a heavy sound. Fu, ru, b. For kasra, give very clear e sound b, and it is short. Ha, 4 counts long. Illa, hamza is very strong letter, and for kasra give e sound and it is attached with lam. Or then lam is attached with lam, and here it is getting what? Tawassut. Because we have already learned lin amar, these are the 5 letters. Whenever it gets sukoon, any of these letters get sukoon, it gets medium flow of sound, that is called tawassut, and the abbreviation of tawassut is T. Illal fa 2 counts long. C has every kasra has this sound, e sound. E. Fasiqun. Qaf is heavy, and then when you are stopping, you will give 2 4 6 haraka long sound because it is mada'arad sakun. And when you are giving sakun over here, because this ayah gets stopped, so you will give sakun at the last letter, so it will get tawassut. Look, medium flow of sound. So when you will hear this tawassut at the very end, can you hear me? I'm not saying I'm not stopping the sound at the very beginning. I'm letting the sound flow little, and that is called medium flow of sound. إلا الفاسقون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.